All right, so factor number 3 is timelines. That's from the time you submit your CV all the way through to you actually landing in your new destination. Typically, the recruitment cycle takes 4 to 6 weeks, and there are outliers. You can take as quick as a week, as long as several months, but generally we work on a 4 to 6 week timeline. And so once you've got an offer in your hands, there are several other things you need to do as well. There might be a visa you've got to obtain. There are background checks and so on that will need to be done as well, which adds a couple of weeks to the timeline. Once you've got that is when you actually resign. And depending on where you are working, it could be just a month or as long as 3 months. And so typically the recruitment cycle will take you somewhere between 3 to 6 months from the time you submit your CV to the time you actually get to your new destination. And that's the time that we generally work on. What you can also do is build in some time for yourself in between ending your current job and starting the new one to deal with anything that you need to in terms of where you're leaving or where you're going to. It can also just be a time where you have zero responsibilities and no emails to circle back to. So you can take that trip you've been putting off for years. And so working through those timelines is super important as well, because you might think that it's a move you want to make ASAP, or it's a move that you're planning only next year. And so keeping that general timeline in mind can really help you in terms of when you actually make the approach. Whether you've just thought about this or whether it's something you've been considering for a number of months, reach out to us, because we can provide you with the clarity you need and also set up a roadmap to help you make the move. At MRA, we are best placed to help you make this move because we have offices across most major legal jurisdictions. We have senior recruiters that have been working these markets for a number of years. We can really help you not just get through the practicalities of making the move and thinking about it, but also getting through the interview process and hopefully arrive at a decision that you feel is best for you. So reach out to us.